Y'all hear what I say? Yeah. Good morning, guys. I'm about to clean up the cage, get it nice and tidy, because the dogs stay in the cage during the day, so I just clean it up at the end of the week. Whew. Y'all know Mama's a neat freak, germaphobe, so I gotta clean the cage with some Lysol and scrub it. Cause yeah, I know Mama, she always make us clean the carpet. Ugh. Whew. Okay. Now it looks kind of clean. I think it's pretty clean, no? Yeah. But I'm so glad today's Friday. Y'all have no idea. Even though I still have to do some schoolwork. But there won't be too many kids staying late. Kids will go home early today, around 3. So that's good.
I got a hat on and a big coat, and it's about 60 degrees. So, no, I was kidding. It's not 60. It's like 55, like 50 something, but no wind. Yeah, then when it's cold, I wear a sweater. Like, I'm so weird. We've been doing school. Yeah, we've been doing school all morning. I'm going to show you my schedule because I'm trying to graduate before Christmas. At first, it was January 24th, and that is not about to go down. So, I have made my schedule. I bet you people just looking at me. I don't care. Oh, shit. Oh. Okay. Gotcha.
Hello, everybody. Did you hear what I say? Long time no say. Been away. Doing this, doing that. Well, it's a little rainy today. I don't get out the house until about 3, 4, 5 o'clock then, because I have more kids to take care of, and they don't go home till later on. So, you know, gotta make sacrifices. I love doing my shopping in the morning, but now I gotta shop at night. It's all good. I can't complain. I look at it this way. Some people can't get up and go at all. Some people are bound to the wheelchair. Some people can't walk at all, talk at all, you know? So, I can't complain.
We forgot that our library is closed, so we didn't walk all the way up there. I was like, it's kind of empty, but I'm glad. I hate that library anyway. We just came back. We just went to the store, and I'm not going to say where, because I went Christmas shopping. Yo, my gifts are like the best gifts. I'm so proud of myself. I found these brilliant gifts. But what I can show you is the wallpaper. I keep saying wallpaper. The what's this, y'all? What's this called? Christmas wrapping paper? Yeah, that's what I can show you. That's it. That's all I bought from there. Chores. That's about it. But yeah. Indy smiles at herself when she looks in the mirror. You must think you're cute, huh? What? Say TT. TT is scaredy cat. Don't you be scared like that. What did you smile for? Half the time I don't know what I be saying. You said you cute. You cute. You cute. You cute. Tracy is washing her hair. It's about time you guys say thank you in the comments. Say thank you for washing your hair.
Who said that?
No, I said
vlogging.
I said in the comments.
What?
This year, this is this relaxer is the last relaxer for this year. I'm going natural.
We're gonna see how long it's gonna last. Watch the first 3 months. You be like,
I can't do it. My hands can't even go through my hair.
Now it's time to get my terrible hair done. Now I'm getting a relaxer, and I hate getting relaxers, but my hair is like that bad, and it's not like super tangled, so the comb can get through it, you know. But hopefully it'll be quick, so I can go to bed. I'm tired. Look at that comb, Trey. Show that comb.
Okay. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
That is a lot of bad hair.
Well, you shed hair, you grow hair. This is my shedded hair.
That's a lot of hair.
I want to grow twice as much as this. Guys, I'm not even half done.
Look at that. Woo!
It's just a bunch of curls. It's just stuck. Ouch.
So sorry for you. Oh. I just got a stupid relaxer. And now I put the conditioner in and doing some chores. It's 12:30. And I'm washing some blankets and uploading the vlog and taking my medicine. All at the same time. I'm supposed to be waking up at 6:30 tomorrow morning because Patrice has to go to the dentist and my aunt is taking her and I'm going to. So I gotta wake up at 6:30 because no one else is willing to wake up that early. And it's almost 1 now, so I could just go to sleep at grandma's though. Mama working hard. She washed India's hair, she did Patrice's hair, did my hair, now she's doing my hair. So all of our hair is washed. Indy got a ponytail, Teresa got a ponytail, Paris got a ponytail. But of course her little silky hair, that ponytail didn't last long. They came right out. So maybe if her hair get longer or something, then they'll stay. Y'all listen to this. Listen to this. It's Dolly, y'all can't see. Listen to this. Y'all can hear it. This is what we deal with this every night. Every night.
Finally got my hair done today, and I was doing an exam while Paris was getting her hair done, and I got a 45%. And then I did it over and got a 60%. And if you can't get over 65, you don't get your diploma. So now I'm hoping that this average score be over 65, because I think I'm waiting for my books now. They shipped, but I tried to do the online and I got a 45. Well, actually I got 60, so it's not that bad. It's a D. 60 a D. I told parents, don't do no more work. Wait for them books, yeah. I got my little schedule here I made out and everything. My schedule was to graduate on Christmas. Yeah, that's a bunch of boo-boo because I can't graduate on Christmas now. I mean, I can, but now December 17th. But it's cool, you know. I just gotta make a new schedule when the books come. So So Paris, are you gonna wait for your books?
I'm about that life. I live that life. I done that. I just feel real.
That was the first time me ever felling.
When I put this scarf on my head, I feel like I'm about that life. Can you hear me? Alright, the camera died on us, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We'll see you tomorrow. Dentist. Crap.